Air travel can be exciting, but packing for it, not so much. Between strict baggage rules, shrinking overhead bins, and airline fees for everything under the sun, what you pack matters more than ever. Over the years, I have taken dozens of flights, across the US and internationally, and every trip taught us something new about what we really need, and what we absolutely don't. And here's the truth. Most people bring way too much. So today, I'm sharing 15 things I never pack anymore, based on real experience, real frustration, and a lot of airport miles. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Neck pillows promise comfort, but deliver bulk. They take up space in your carry-on or hang awkwardly off your backpack. And realistically, you'll only use it for a few hours in flight. Then it's just along for the ride, squished under your arm through 3 airports. Instead, I roll up a scarf or jacket, takes up less space and doubles as warmth at your destination. Still want a pillow? Go inflatable. Packs flat, saves space, and won't haunt your entire trip. Don't get me wrong, I love guidebooks. We've got shelves of Rick Steves and Lonely Planet at home. But I haven't packed a physical one in years. Today, everything I need fits on my phone. Digital guides, offline maps, and review apps are lighter, faster, and more up-to-date. Grab the Kindle version if you love traditional guides, but ditch the paper bricks. Unless you're traveling deep into the jungle, skip packing your hairdryer. Most hotels and Airbnbs provide one. In fact, in over 50 stays around the world, we only needed our own twice. If you're worried, check the listing. Most platforms let you filter for amenities like hairdryers. Still want a backup? Choose a compact travel model, or borrow one from the front desk. Save space for more important gear. Carrying a bunch of cash isn't just unnecessary, it's risky. You don't need $500 in your sock. Instead, bring a small amount for emergencies and use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees. Avoid sketchy airport ATMs or currency exchanges. Use bank ATMs at your destination. Safer rates, lower fees. Pro tip: if the ATM asks if you want to convert to your home currency, say no. Always choose the local currency and carry 2 cards. Some places still don't take Amex. I used to pay $10 a day to use my phone abroad. Then I discovered eSIMs. These digital SIM cards let you use your regular phone in over 180 countries, without the crazy roaming fees. You just scan a QR code before your trip, and boom, you're connected. No hunting for SIM cards, no surprise bills, and often with unlimited data. If your phone supports eSIM, this is a game changer. Unless you're backpacking through beaches or hitting public bathhouses, skip packing a towel. Hotels, hostels, and Airbnbs almost always provide them. Even microfiber travel towels, clever as they are, often end up unused. Sure, they're great for beach days or thermal spas, but unless you've got that planned, leave it at home. Still need one? Pack a small microfiber towel. It dries fast and folds tiny. I get it. No one wants to repack their suitcase in front of the check-in desk, but you don't need a travel scale. Weigh your bag at home. Step on the scale with and without it. Only exception? If you plan to shop heavily or bring back souvenirs. In that case, a small digital scale can help on the return flight. Otherwise, skip it. Save the space. Before our first Europe trip, I bought heavy-duty hiking boots and tactical pants. We were going to walk a lot, in cities. And let me tell you, clunky trail boots on cobblestones? Not ideal. Unless you're genuinely planning hikes, skip the technical gear. Instead, pack lightweight, comfortable walking shoes that look decent at dinner too. Versatile clothing wins every time. That giant bottle of shampoo takes up space, might leak, and TSA hates it. Stick to travel-sized bottles or invest in refillable silicone containers. Or go solid. Shampoo bars, soap bars, and deodorant sticks are leak-proof and liquid-free. They're great for carry-ons and work just as well. Keep it simple. Pack small and restock if needed at your destination. I used to pack whatever socks I had in the drawer. Big mistake. On walking heavy trips, cheap cotton socks cause blisters, stink, and stay wet when sweaty. These days, I pack merino wool socks. They wick moisture, resist odors, regulate temperature, and last forever. Yes, they cost more, but they're worth every penny. Your feet will thank you halfway through that walking tour. No one's judging you for repeating an outfit. Yet so many travelers pack like they're doing 5 wardrobe changes a day. Instead, build a small capsule wardrobe. A few neutral shirts, a couple pairs of pants or shorts, all interchangeable. Plan to layer instead of packing bulky sweaters. Bonus points if your place has a washing machine. I usually do 5 shirts, 2 bottoms, and 1 warm layer for a 10-day trip. Easy, light, and still stylish. We all do it. What if it rains? What if I go to a fancy restaurant? What if I get invited on a yacht? Reality check. Most of those what-ifs don't happen. Packing for imaginary scenarios adds weight, bulk, and stress. Bring what you know you'll use. If you forget something, you can always buy it at your destination. Need a scarf in Iceland? That's how we ended up in a thrift store on our honeymoon. And it's still one of my favorite memories. Travel's not about being perfectly prepared. It's about enjoying the ride and figuring things out if needed. Unless you're attending a wedding or a black tie cruise dinner, skip the bling. Expensive jewelry isn't just a theft risk. It's one more thing to worry about losing. Necklaces get tangled, rings slip off, earrings vanish into hotel carpets. Plus, flashy accessories can make you a target for pickpockets in busy areas. Instead, bring 1 or 2 simple pieces you'll actually wear. Traveling should feel lighter, not like guarding a mini jewelry store. You've seen them. Foldable duffels and just-in-case backpacks. They sound clever, but most of the time, they stay zipped up in your suitcase the whole trip. Unless you're planning to shop a lot or need an extra bag for laundry or groceries, skip it. Otherwise, it's just dead weight. Need flexibility? A lightweight tote or compressible day pack can do double duty and still save space. Don't pack bags to carry bags. Travel gear companies love selling gadgets that do one thing. Portable humidifiers, electric lint removers, USB mug warmers, shoe sanitizers. You get the idea. They sound fun, but they rarely justify the space. Before you pack something, ask, will I use this more than once? Can something else do the job? Stick to multi-purpose tools like a Swiss Army knife, just not in your carry-on, or a phone stand that doubles as a tripod. If it only does one thing and that thing isn't essential, leave it. Packing smarter doesn't mean giving things up. It means giving yourself freedom, less weight, less stress, fewer things to forget. The 12 things I've stopped packing. They've made travel easier, cheaper, and a whole lot more comfortable. Got your own no-pack list? Drop it in the comments. We're always learning from each other. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and check out my full guide to one-bag travel, linked below. Until next time, happy travels, and may your suitcase always be light.